2 Samuel 10, verse 5. After that you will go to Gibeah of God, where there is a Palestine outpost. As you approach the town, you will meet a procession of prophets of coming down from the high place with lyres, timbrels, pipes, and harps being played before them, and they will be prophesying, "The Spirit of the Lord will come powerfully upon you, and you will prophesy with them, and you will be changed into a different person once these signs are fulfilled. Do whatever your hand finds to do, for God is with you. Go down ahead of me to Gilgal. I will surely come down to you to sacrifice burnt offerings and fellowship offerings, but you must wait 7 days until I come to you and tell you what you are to do."